Nice. Wow, this is kind of annoying. Anyways, I guess let's
Let's just start the
start.
quiz, I guess.
Pardon?
Just start the quiz, I guess.
Yeah. Um, Weird. I'm not hearing you very clear, but it works. Yeah. Let's start the quiz. And I think this time we're just learning some normal distribution and how the z-score works. So it shouldn't be too hard if you still remember something that's things that's from Math 108.
Okay.
Yeah.
Really? That's discrimination.
Lesson 5, group meetings quiz.
Right?
Alright, let's get this started. So the first two questions, skip is all true. The third one, here's the information. Wait, what's this? Ooh, that's cool. When you are replying to work together as quiz, remember the group. Okay, that's the thing. Question number 3. The total area under the normal distribution curve must be equal to one. That's question number 3's answer. Are you with me right now?
Yeah. Sorry, I was trying to find the answer. I don't really know much about this, so.
Your internet connection is not very good. I cannot hear you very well.
I'm sorry. I don't know what to do about that. Is this 4 false?
A little bit. What does this character mean right
Give me a second. Maybe it's my problem. So do you get the first? Did you get question number 3?
Yes.
Yes, it's 1.
Okay, cool. Next one, number 4. Under certain circumstance, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. That is false because never happened. Okay, cool. Number 5, the normal distribution curve is symmetric.
True.
It's true. Cool. Number 6. Okay, the following information. Wow, this is a very interesting graphic. Oh. What represents the z-score? C.
Right. The language.
Yeah, because A is area, B is still area, A is like the probability, B is the probability that's not including the group, and C is the but also the z-score. Yeah. So yeah, just that's a z-score.
Okay, so just C.
English.
Z-score, yeah. Z-score means how many steps far are you from the mean. So on this figure, it marks down 1 step, 2 step, 3 step to 4 step far from the mean, to either the right side or the left side, and these numbers are z-scores.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what z-score means.
Okay.
Cool. Number 7. Which one is represent the probability that z-score will be greater than 1? So as I said, the blue one is a probability of whatever the mark is marked at, So that's where A area means. And if it's greater than z square 1, it should be the area B. So
Okay.
yeah, just a simple concept right there. And then this very famous 98, 68, 95, 99.7 rules. Okay.
For 68.
Don't make me laugh.
Wait, what?
A to 68.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. 68. Very good. Yep. Number 9. Suppose z square comes from the normal distribution. Use, okay, there's an app that we need to use or a link that we need to use. Okay, what is a proportion of z square between 1 and -1? That's the area. If you plug in the number in the little application that the teacher gave us, plugging +1 on the right side and -1 on the left side, and you'll get the area.
It's already in, when I opened it, it was already in -1 and 1. So is it just 7?
Actually, no. Wait, what does he want us to say? What proportion of z square was or between? So it's not outside. The area that it shows in the figure, it's the blue part. So we need to calculate the white part of the figure. So it need to be 1.
I was trying to do a portion.
The question is okay. The question number 9 is asking for the white portion after you plug in a number. So we need to do some little algebra right here. We need to do 1 minus the area, and that will gives us the white area of the standard distribution, normal distribution.
Well, I did try.
So 1 minus 0.3. 173 equals 0.068. That's the number. Yep.
So how did you,
yeah, so yeah. Because that number is showing the blue part of the figure.
and you subtract that from 1?
Yes, yes, because that's the definition of normal distribution.
But you do 0.0 something, it should be like 6 something.
It's 0.68.
Okay, 0.68, what? One more number?
Now I need to memorize all of the
0.6827. That's the answer, but it only runs.
0.683.
No, it's 0.68.
Yeah, it asks for the first 3 digits.
Yeah. Because if you if you open the normal probability applet, so that thing, if you type in the z-score, the area that is showing is the blue area. And
no, I mean, okay, no, I got the answer 0.6827. But you're supposed to round it to the nearest thousandth. So it's 0.683, right?
27.
Your handwriting is not
Like that's the answer for number 9.
Okay. Yeah. We can try 6.9. See if that works. No, actually it's still 6.8 because it's 0.6827, right?
Okay, in the question it says, give your answer as a decimal accurate to 3 decimal places. So it wouldn't be 6.8, it would be 683.
Oh, okay. I didn't see that 3 decimals. Sorry about that.
Oh, it's okay.
I was totally misunderstanding. All right. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we got.
Yeah.
We're on the same page now.
Sorry. All right. So same thing, but just this time the z-score is 2. So just plug in number and do the math again. It's not.
Did yours just give you 1?
Question number 10.
My handwriting is considered
negative.
Yeah.
Handwriting. For some reason, I accidentally put in
It's fine. Yeah, so it's the same thing, but the z-score is 2. So let's do the math again. Cool. So I got the answer is 0.955 rounded to the thousandths. 0.955. Cool. Cool. All right. Next one. Where am I? Question 11. Suppose the z-score. Okay. Now it's doing -3. Really? All right. Let's do this. Oh man, this is so small. Yep. Look carefully at your answer and what do you observe? The value match the rule. That's quite obvious. Yep. And wow, we have 18 questions. That's pretty long. All right, this is a little bit long description right here.
I never got like recognizing characters and writing characters.
Oh, completely.
Hey, so you wanna hand me the eraser? Hey, thanks.
Yeah, characters are.
Coach. Oh. It's a work of art. Wait, Shalon.
But I just feel like Chinese characters are beautiful.
I like this. Last one is
Oh. Okay, so basically this question is saying that in this model of the United States weight, is that what it is saying? Whatever it is, okay, the populations. Anyways, the mean out here, it says in the very last sentence, the population mean portion required for adults is 0.65, that thing, and the standard deviation is 0.07. So that is the number that we need to be aware of. All right, so so what proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60? I'll do it. Yeah. All right, there's several ways to do it. So if a standard deviation, which is like the mark that's the figure that's 1, 2, 3, that's called a standard deviation. If that is that distance is 0.07, right now we only want to find the mark that's only like 0.05 away. So we can use like the ratio formula to find where exactly the z-score is. And that will be basically 5 divided by 7.
Oh, there you go. Come to class.
That's how much it is. And that is a z-score actually. So you plug in a number into the normal distribution. Yeah, the thing. Let me see if that actually gives us.
Just kidding. I'm just kidding.
So it's 0.7. 0.7143. 0.7143. Let's see.
English.
So look at your what is that called? Normal probability applet. You see that every mark on there, right? This mark in this particular question means that from 0 to mark 1 or 0 to mark -1, it's 0.007 distance. That's how far it is. But now the question is asking us someplace that's only 0.005 away. So how do we get a z-score? We calculate how far is 0.005 on this mark. And by doing so, you can just simply what is that? Subtract, not subtract, divide 5 divide the standard deviation 7 or 0.00.
Where did you get 0.005?
0.005 is from the question. So the question wants to find the protein requirement that's less than 0.0 g, and the mean that is that's in this figure is 0.05, 0.65. Sorry. So the differentiation between these two numbers is 0.005. That's how far it is. That's how far the question is from the mean.
Okay.
Cool with that? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So after calculated the z-score with the standard deviation, so standard deviation on here is 0.07. 0.07 equals 1 distance. So 0.05 equals the number that we need to figure out. And the number is 0.013. That's the mark that we can mark on the normal probability distribution.
Like the answer is 0.013?
Basically, that's nope. The answer is after you plug in the z-score, which is 0.713. That's z-score. That's basically how far it is when you are 0.05 away from the mean. Basically, that's how far it is on this little figure. And the area is showing us is the two blue area that's showing in the figure, which we don't need both of them. We just only need one of them because the question is asking us things as less than 0.06 g p kg minus 1 power, whatever that is. That's very complicated.
So you just divide it by 2.
So the area, yep, the area we need divided by 2, and we will get the answer. And the answer will be 0.2379. So basically it's 0.238.
Okay.
That should be the answer. Very cool. 14.
And wouldn't this be the
okay, so now you're just asking the more than the mark that we calculate. So this number 1 minus this number.
Wait, 1 minus 0.23?
Yes.
Oh.
So that will be 0.762, I believe so. What proportion of the population is less than? All right, so now you just basically change the number and asking the same type of question. So as you observe, this 0.7 is also 0.5 away. That means we are looking at the z-score that's positive 0.713, if you are with me. And now it is asking the probability that's less than the z-score at 0.713. So everything of the left is the area that we want to calculate, which we already did. Did we did that? Yes, we already did that. It's the answer that's above us is the same, 0.762. Because that's the same area.
Okay, how come nothing in the equation changes?
Pardon?
How come nothing in the equation changes now that you're at 0.7 grams?
Because you see, question 15, the spot that they want us to find is 0.70, right? That's also 0.005 away from the mean. So means that this time is like 0.005 above the mean, which that means it's moving right. Yeah, it's the right side of the figure. Yeah.
Okay, because the mean is 6.5. Okay.
Correct. And it's asking the population that's less than this point. So it's the white area and the blue area on the left side.
Okay.
Yeah, and that area is the same as the answer that we had in question 14.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So number 16, find the probability as randomly select person with between the two. All right, very simple. This one, the question 16 basically is asking the white area of the figure because it's asking 0.6 to 0.7. So the white area, we already know how to do it. 1 minus the area that we had up here.
Okay.
Number I got is 0.524. Well, sorry, no, 0.542, 0.524, yeah, 0.524, yeah. Okay, question number 7, find the 35th% of the motion requires the dough rather than the, okay. So this one is kind of asking the same question in the opposite way. It wants us to use the area, which is the probability.
Did you cut out? I think you cut out. I don't know if you can still hear me. Hello?
My computer just went dead. So I'm going to use my iPad to continue the thing, and that will be a pain. So
okay.
Yeah, I just need to do everything again right now. It's kind of sad. Give me a second. Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Cool. I don't need this. I need to what?
What question are we on right now?
We just 16 was 0.524, right?
Not sure about that now.
And then we're on 17. Oh, did you? It was like everything?
Yeah, I kind of need to just, yeah.
Okay, I can give you all the answers again.
Maybe not. Maybe let me log into my BYU account first. See how it goes. Oh, man. When that.
What kind of toast are you making? Just butter? Just butter?
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. Two. Okay. I don't know. Do you? And we decided we don't want to do what they're doing. Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again. Okay. Cool. I'm logging. I'm on iLearn. Are you still hearing me? Cool. I'm on iLearn right now. See if I can go back to the quiz. All right, I can continue the quiz. Oh, wait, what? Hey, my answer is still here. It's cool.
All of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
That's awesome.
Crap.
It's raining?
What? Okay, I didn't change the answer.
Oh, my phone says it is.
Question number 15.
Okay.
Question number
15 was 0.762.
0.762. Cool.
17 was 0.524.
0.762. 16 is 0.524. 17 is what?
And then we haven't done 17 or 18 yet.
Okay. All right. So 17, all we need to do is to type in 0.05 in the area, because that's where the 35th percent is at. And then
Point what?
0.35 in the area. Okay. Yeah. So what that means is the 35th percent will be shown on the figure. And you can read from the figure of the z-score what marks it marks on the 33%.
So it's 0.935?
Let me check. Okay, 0.35. Cool. Yeah, 0.93, negative 0.93 will be the z-score.
Oh, negative?
Because 0 means 50%.
Okay.
Everything below 0, it means less than 50%. Everything
okay.
above 0, you know. What is the question asking us? Find the 35% of the protein requirements for adults. Okay, so this one is a little bit tricky. This one doesn't only want us to find a z-score, but I also want us to use a z-score to kind of trace back what's the original data.
Okay.
Yeah. So same thing. If one standard deviation